Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Today I would like to show you how I fried this whole pompano fish on this natural elements wok. I've been using this wok for many of my videos and I've been so happy with this wok. Cooking almost every meal for my family with this inexpensive wok that I bought from Home Goods, which sells cookware, decorations and everything that you can think of. I only use very little oil, the minimum to coat the wok, and see how easy it is to flip this fish, and at the end the fish just slides off the wok. The most important is the skin is still on the fish. I really hate it when the fish gets stuck to the wok and then the skin peels off. At that point, the fried fish looks so ugly and unappetizing. Do you know what I mean? This wok is coated with granite stone and is considered the healthiest coating material. I'm not an expert on this, but I just like the non-stick features and the coating does not come off after using for many times. Also, I like the handle that really helps me lift even when the wok and content of wok is a lot and heavy. I hope this video has given you some information of this simple tool I use in my cooking channel. Please like, share and subscribe to Meals with Sue. You can easily get this and it is not expensive. And yet it is durable and help to improve your cooking. Enjoy each day and sending you good positive vibes as usual. Thanks for watching. Bye.